Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to show assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy phone as an edge icon. Okay, this is my assistant menu and I'm going to show this assistant menu as the edge icon. So first of all, we need to go to our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the accessibility setting to open the assistant menu. Okay, and after that we just need to click on interaction and dexterity, and here we need to click on assistant menu. Okay, and here we need to scroll down until we find the show as edge icon right here, as you can see, and we just need to activate it if we want to show the assistant menu as edge icon. And I'm going to click on the circle button to activate it, and this is my assistant menu. As you can see that it has become the edge icon. And if you want to open the assistant menu, you just need to click on it. Then you can use your assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can show assistant menu as the edge icon on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.